In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily activate your account on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up chess.com on your web browser and then sign into your account. Basically, when you sign up first time on chess.com, the website automatically sends you an email that looks like that. The topic is chess.com, and right here it says activate your account. We can just find that email on our inbox, and then if we open it up, we'll be able to activate our account simply by clicking at this activate your account button. However, if you can't find your email, if you can find that email on your inbox, you need to go to chess.com, then click right here at settings. That's where we can easily find our current email address, and in here we need to click add change. It says please activate your account for full access, and down below we can easily find a recent email. So if you can't find activation email, just click at that button and it will send activation email one more time to your email. Then just go to your email. Right here we can easily find that email, and now all we have to do is just click at that button. That's how you can easily activate your account at chess.com.